Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert a page to an existing PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro PDF Editor. Now click on this page layout option and here you will find this insert option. Click this insert down arrow and select insert from file. You can insert from scanner, clipboard, also you can insert blank page. I'll insert and paste the page and select insert from file and select add file, stop and insert this page and select open and now select next and I'll insert it before first page. Now select insert and select this page now inserted before this document. Again you can change this page position. If you want here you can sweep it anywhere. Yeah, this is in this way you can or insert as many pages as you want and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.